Good morning. Oh, shit. Type shit. Oh, type shit. Type shit. It's good to hear. Four nine 70 4 8 61 61. Sorry, Marcus like opening really quick, so I need to. Yeah. 61. I'm just trying to. Okay, that's fair. Yeah, that is fine though. Yep. Stop me out. I'm not gonna do anything because usually I'll just wait for what the next candle will look like. That's fair. Oh, fuck. What the fuck? I didn't even see Intel. What the fuck? Shit. Oh, great. Negative 2R. Okay, that's fair. Sorry, you can continue. No, I was gonna hold Intel. G Jolly. Intel. Huh. Wow. Okay. Oh, it broke. Okay, so I have to let Intel go. Tesla, I can still wait for trade. Oh, looks like I would have broke my stop loss if I entered. Huh. 4841. So why would it be a short then? Something I can predict? No. I don't want to just be reacting to it. Because that'll be kind of be gay. Oh, fair type shit. Oh, 651. 59. 45. coming back. Nice. That's fair. I waited for it. If I get stopped out here, then I probably just need to watch, and that's okay. Wow. I'm surprised. It's a really strong bearish. Is there any news today or like? I don't really look at news, so I don't know how much that actually. I see. Shit. Okay. I'm just watching right now. I already got stopped out like 3 times already, so I just need to watch. Wow. Okay, that's fair. That's crazy. 65. $65, $4.50. Reset. Huh. I thought Intel couldn't go any lower. That's fair. Of a psychological level though. 42, 44. 44, 45. 44 minus 25. 19, 263. Unfortunate. I got subbed out before it went up a bit at the bottom. It's fine. OG Jolly. What a good time to be alive. Mm, 42, 46. I'm just buying it. It's no, I'm not. It's just like 1%. Oh, yeah, there's no like I do try to go for a bigger move, but I can't do that when I can't when I can't scale in. Always all my wins are scaled. It's never it's never one big singular entry. And then I've been really trying to learn. I'm not sure if you heard of this trader. His name is Brian Lee, but like I've been really trying to learn like market cycle and everything. Yeah, and market cycle is super important for me because like I know at some point like oh shit, hold on, give me one moment. 45, 45, 230, 5, 230, 44, 51, 60. Damn, Tesla, chill the fuck out. There we go. Okay, as I was saying, so so before, like until now or 2 days, some days ago, like I always thought like, oh, just keeping one consistent strategy is always gonna work, and like you always gotta know your like win rate and everything. But then this one trader named Brian Lee basically was talking about like, oh, you're gonna change your strategy. You can't always scale it, and you can't always be aggressive at some point. And like maybe like that's true if you don't need to change your strategy too much. If you're like let's say you're scalping because like yeah, market cycle kind of matters like for over like the overall picture, but for me to use like 10 minutes or like use a bigger time frame, I think it matters much more. And it's like I can't like I gotta decide when to like play defensively, when to play aggressively, or when to or like when to actually not like always try to like scale in because I always see myself scaling in, and I always take these big drawdowns, and like yeah, I already am expecting drawdowns, but sometimes some of these could be like I could have like less losses if I just learn to play like in some situation like know when to like play defensively when I'm trading. Go for it. No. No, it just cannot make up with all the losses. Like before all like the previous entry that I did lose on without scaling in. Yeah, like I did go up, but it's not enough. It pretty pretty much, but it's like I just gotta know when. I just gotta know when. And things like yeah, and I was like, cause even though like I am doing a sim account, like I've been like after like calculating everything, I've been in like a pretty big debt because I count like all my R's. Right? I've been like one time I was in negative 50 R debt, right? And then like 1 to 2 trades, like I literally got that whole removed, like 50x my risk, or like a 50x yeah 50x my win. It's like one of the craziest days of my life. It's like I realized like scaling in is actually worth it. I just I just need to keep doing it until I realize if it works or not. But so far so far I've seen it works. So that's what so that some people just just some people can't wait. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm getting pretty. Well, I'm already building up my losses again, but today doesn't feel too bad as yesterday or the day before. I'm not. I'm not reacting stupidly. So I use 10 minute. Like I use weekly because most of my entry are 10 minute, and I use daily for like kind of my bias. But then I need to look at weekly for to see if we can invalidate or like shows that like the daily doesn't matter if I use daily for bias, because sometimes you can just be looking at the support and resistance for weekly, and even monthly too, and then like I'm trying. Yeah, like let's say there's like the resistance like at weekly, right? But my daily says that it could keep going like that direction I want to. But weekly says that like a lot more people are deciding to like reject that resistance. Or I mean, it's likely going to reverse to the opposite direction of where I'm anticipating. So like I need to like start like switching sides instead of like keep playing, because I always try to go for continuation. That's kind of my goal here. Like I always go for like continuation candle, because like I'm scaling in. And so if I need to like, if the weekly says like, no, that doesn't work on daily, I basically just need to switch sides. And I'm like kind of thinking about if I should use monthly for reference also. But a lot of it's just like, just think about like what people will think, or like just human psychology. I think I remember showing you that like I think I showed you that one Google image of the market cycle. No, it like I generally think it's pretty good. So like if I just look at the monthly, right, and just like if I look, yeah, if I look at all of that, then I could use that for reference and see if no, yeah, or if I like if it will let me decide if I should be aggressive or not. Oh shit! Looks like Tesla is going off now, but I shouldn't add yet, not yet at least. Intel waiting to hit. I'm pretty bullish. I'm uh, I'm bullish on to the markets, Tesla and Intel. No, I have to like 10 minute. So stocks, I kind of just treat individually. So I have to look at each of them, like, because it's not like you're not looking at just one group. It's basically just like individual, and each individual can like, it's much more like volatile because like they're treated as like an individual company. So I just need to like watch out for that. But that's like that's also the reason why it's so good too. Like if it goes into one single direction, it doesn't matter like if the other market are like going like the opposite direction. Like it's it happens, and I just gotta accept it. Honestly, I just like if I get stopped out, like in the first 10 minutes, then I just have to wait. I just need to chill out. I can't like I can't do two trades in. I can't do two trades in the same time frame or the single candle. If it makes like, because sometimes it makes like big wick move like from up and down, and that like if you're like if you get super like desperate, it's you can easily just keep getting stopped out like multiple times on a single candle, even though there's like even though the rule kind of I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, I'm just kind of waiting right now, and I don't have any idea when I'm gonna scale add. You're fine. That's fair, honestly. I think the only reason why I trade stocks is because I'm so used because that's how I started it, and like I'm already so used to it now. Again, it's a sim count, but I do have the capital once I start reaching my goals. Yeah, 100. No, no, just 100, just 100 R, like a total of 100 R. Yeah, and I've been in a yes, basically. And then I've been in negative 50 before, negative 50 R, which is crazy. Like it was so bad during that time. Like I felt so bad. I felt like so miserable. And then I told you about that one big scale in trade. Like kind of made me like oh shit, I can do it. And I got stuck. I got go ahead. Uh, Oh, so basically, like like the R's are kind of my currency. Like if I can make it like this, then basically if I lose, if I start losing money again in like in real capital, I just know like I just I just kind of have to like get this mindset of like oh just do it. Like even if I'm losing, like if I know what I'm doing is right, I just do it. I just need to execute it. I think execution is way more important than profitability. Honestly, if I'm be honest, it'll let me like first of all it'll let me know if I'm doing things right, and let me know if the rules I'm doing. Oh shit! Intel got in. Hold on. 4226. Sorry. Yeah. Right now I'm actually kind of in a tight position at the moment, but it's still falling though. 9010. That's the usual. Looks like we are. If this rejects. 730. 730. Okay, maybe if this goes above, then I'm gonna add 30 minutes. stop Tesla. Intel's holding pretty good for now. Big hammer. Let me see. Okay, so far, I'm not gonna lie, it's making me nervous. It's good so far for now. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it is, but I'm fine with it. If I'm nervous, that's a good thing. That means everybody is. Everybody else is. Hmm. I double my position. Some Yeah. If it depends, like if I like for example, if I put 60 shares, right, I'll add like a 60 shares, like double my initial entry, not 120, like 60. If let's say if it's like half a share, then I will like double it. Like let's say I put 25. Let's say I put 25 shares, right? Then I'll probably put like 50 shares, a full entry after when I scale in on my half entry. If let's say like on a certain setup that I don't feel entirely right, but it did go to my direction, that I already have like that half share to like offset some of the first the first full entry. If that makes sense. Yeah, because I always play break even on my average entry, my average overall. Yeah, average overall shares. Damn, Intel's not. Damn, I might lose Intel here. Unfortunate. All right. Yeah, I was gonna long it, but it like it is a weird outlier that I just. Oh fuck. Okay. Well, I got stopped out. Now all I can do is wait, because apparently it doesn't make sense now. No, I've been so used to stocks like I haven't like I just I can look at it right now. I already got stopped out, so best I can do is just wait. Best I don't enter anyway. Fair. I feel like but the pro- but the pro like the but see the problem is like before that red candle, like how would you ever imagine like what about that one candle that broke? Like would you never not use that for reference to put a trend line? Like where do you even put the trend line? That's the problem. The problem with trend lines, like you can put it anywhere and you'll think it worked. I know. I used to always use 30 minutes too. Yeah, but it's the median where like people. So if you had stop loss there, they would have got. Oh, because the thing is like, because the thing is, I don't put a trend line like that intersects with like a candle or two. Like I'll do like right at the bottom of the candle, never really at like in between, to find the median of it. Let me look at ES really quick. I can't really look at Trade Station. ES. Come. Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna look at Trading View with it. Trading View is not that accurate, but I want to E-mini futures, right? Oh wait, am I looking at the right? Okay, I think so. ESZ 25. Oh, ESZ 25. Shit, I can't find it. Okay, then I'm looking at the correct thing then. No wonder. I was like, am I looking at the wrong one? Yeah, I was like so confused. Yeah. Yeah. No, Trade Station I can't see it because I'm using stocks. I can't. I don't. I haven't bought data for futures or even like open a future account. Okay, let's see what I'm looking at. Shit. I mean, I don't think I would. I don't think I would trade it. I don't think I would trade at all. Seeing what it looks like on the daily, like I just look at the daily. I don't even. You wouldn't even consider it. Yeah, maybe like a short if it goes up, and then if it's the median is usually it's like it's just following like it's just consulting right now. Like at best, maybe just like a small bias in longing, but I don't think. Let me check weekly. Oh fuck, ew! I don't like how this is set up. I don't like trading view. Yeah, I would probably maybe just long it, but it's just small buys for long. But otherwise, I wouldn't even trade. Just looking at it, yeah. Maybe for scalping it still works because like I think it was because it looks like it's just follow. Yeah, it's still following the general direction. Like, no, if it goes up, just press down, just short it. If it goes down, just long it. But not really a trend. Ugh, let me look at fuck ass. Uh, Holy fuck, dude. Is that 4 hours? Oh, I don't use trend lines for 4 hours. I just kind of see if like if either like price action or if a candle like engulf like another candle. That's what I kind of use the 4 hour for. Like for example, yeah, for example, or actually, the I, dude, I have so much trouble with like 10 minutes on engulfing. I can't fathom thinking engulfing in 1 minute. Like that shit is. I just kind of use it like let's say it's going to my direction, right? And then I just want to see like if I can't find any price action for like for when it like for like any reversal or for any like reason to get out early. I just kind of use the engulfing. Like if any see any weakness, like for a reason, if it will stop going up, or if there's a reason why I should like get out early. That's kind of like why I like use engulf. And engulfing, I seem used like better on like the higher time frame. Yeah, yeah. But my daily, but like for all my entries, it's based off like you know how people say like I don't know why people call this, but you know like the first three candles. So basically, I look at the first three candles, and then the current candle. If it's above those the highest or the highest of the three candles, I'll long it. If it's lower than the previous three daily candles, then I'll short it. That's kind of like my entry or my bias. But again, I kind of need to look at weekly to see if it would stop going. Oh man, holy chop. Fuck ass YouTube tutorial saying this. Yeah, fucking soldier crows. Fuck that, dude. That shit is so gay. I hate that. That doesn't exist. It's just utter. Those are just utter BS. Shit. If I just do the opposite of all my trades, then I'll be profitable. That never work out. I don't think it will. consistently winning. No, consistently. So the funny thing is, consistently winning is the same as consistently losing. So you just uh, holy chops. I mean, I kind of expected it. I'm not, or not really. It hasn't hit a point yet. That's why I'm like, I'm not. Ah, I'm losing my mind. No. Fuck, man. Look at -5R today. Yesterday was -3, and then before that it was -6R. So I've been hitting heavy, hard. Yeah, the past 3 days. Yeah, this week has just been utter shit, honestly. But that's kind of expected for drawdowns. And like looking at weekly, or looking at weekly, like I'm expecting a short, but not so soon. Like I'm still long it, despite knowing that like a short is like a short is coming. Yeah, before the green month, he had a bad day, and then I think he went back up being green again. Pretty good. Holy. Okay. Yeah, Tesla. I don't think I would have able to predict it. So today's loss isn't too bad. It was unpredictable as fuck. Oh, is it because the leading? It's one of the biggest leading company in like part of the S&P 500 or what? Like it's so like, dude, I fucking love Tesla just for that. Like I just love Tesla. It's like, overall Tesla's pretty nice though. Okay, fuck. I'm not even gonna touch Intel. I would want to long it, but nah. I play for continuation. There's absolutely no reason for me to touch anything. up? Me no like you. Honestly, already seeing this. It's likely I might just be watching instead of trading. It's so sad. My future's ended. Four 445.88. That's fair, honestly. Seeing that. Yeah. Big fucking crazy long. Oh, my favorite. Hmm. Dude, I've been thinking like if I should like if my entry should be just half of my entry and then start like doing full entries. Like if I start scaling in. Oh yeah, for sure. That's like previous high. Honestly, that low key would make sense. Honestly. Oh, the that's fair. That's fair. Why can't why won't you? How about instead you just listen to your inner demons and just full port one tray? Yeah, you make it much more. You know, you see, it's still going down. It's foolproof. Oh yeah, do the unpredictable, like trick the market thinking you're shorting, but actually you're gonna be longing it. You see? Now you're tricking the market. Yeah, yeah. the market, the market wouldn't predict. Now you see, the market is now the market has to predict you now. Ooh, what's Okay, so now it's going up, and for what reason? 442. So you're now telling me Intel is going up. What could I possibly... I know, right? Look at me already making the trend lines and everything. It knows, you know. I know you want to long this. It's whatever. There's no reason to get in yet. I probably might, but probably like partial. 43. This one. This this one. This one you're talking about. Motherfucker, might as well just use 5-minute then. And not gonna lie, you see this yellow candle? That's my that's my potential. Oh, dude, I used to use Fibonacci, but it's not good. Like no, like Fibonacci. Like I see why people think Fibonacci work because I see it like happening, like pull flag and all that. Like 50%, they say like, oh, 50% of that pull flag, it draws down. Like I get why people think that it works, but it's too random of an occurrence. Oh, it might be. Oh. I feel like it's like a general direction. I'll be honest. 47.36. 227. Yeah, I might long this with partial shares. It's not too bad if I'm gonna be honest. 42, 47. Oh, I pay for the data. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's starting to move right now. Wow. It's like reading my mind. There we go. That's fun. No, I never even thought of even deciding. I have not even just. I have. If I can't even make money in stocks, I can't even just look at options, bro. I mean, I was thinking of forex though. Forex doesn't sound too bad. Two more minutes till anything comes up. Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed in myself. I kind of hesitated. Uh, 455.79. Just get up. Okay, I need to catch myself. Stop doing dumb shit. Got in 3R. I'm not in such a heavy loss now. Negative 3R. 416, 417, 417. Hey man, it's all or nothing. Stay calm. Big Short. I haven't even watched the Wolf of Wall Street. Michael Burry. I don't. Starring Christian Bale, Steve Carell, Ryan Gosling. Ryan Gosling. Yeah, he is in The Big Short. The same. Yeah, I'm surprised too. And Brad Pitt. Oh, I didn't know Ryan Gosling. I think the best quote I've heard, I think it's just directly from my aunt, because she trades too. She day trades too. She said that everyone is right in the market. Yeah, she's trading equity, but I don't. But I didn't. But my strategy is not based off her. It's my own. She trades a little bit more conservative compared to what I'm doing. Because I really like because she does like simple like 1 2 1 3, and she's been pretty good. I'm not sure. I don't know, but she also used Praxis. Uh, I don't know. I never. But she trades a lot more. But she trades a lot more conservative. Like she like It's basically just smaller wins, but it's much more consistent. And there's some. Hold on. Oh no, no. When I say 1-2, I mean 1-2. Uh, 1-2 risk reward, not not the. Yeah, my bad, my bad. I didn't know there was such a thing. Anyway, but yeah, like, yeah, but oh yeah, and then Brian Lee, the guy that I like, the one I'm studying about, he said like sometime like for higher win rate, you just need to like if you have been able to like to keep a clear mind, you're sometimes able to like just double your initial entry. Like for your first entry, if you have a higher, if your win rate has changed, like it's more like likely in your favor to even like build up like I don't know. I don't know if people should do it because it's like a psychology thing. But like if you gotten so far to be consistent, like some people they just like you will double your initial you'll double your entry, you'll double your risk for like a higher win rate for a higher win rate setup, and then maybe you'll play more like passive if this or if your win rate has changed. I don't know. He said that win rates change and it doesn't like it'll never be consistent. I know. So that's why that's why like he's been talking about market cycle that's why I've been studying about market like understand like what time is right like to be play defensively and play aggressively because his past like he used to be an esport player before like switching to like full time day trading. I forgot what esport. I didn't check, but before he was an esport player, and then he realized like oh esport can be long term, so he tried learning day trading, and so like he been doing it for this like I think 6 years, at least 6 years from YouTube. Let me search. Let me find his channel really quick. Oh, it's this guy, but so far like from like learning like so far what he says like I really like his philosophy of trading. Hold on, I'll send it to. No shit, I didn't friend you. That's crazy. Anyway, this one, and I'll send it to you also, Fancy. I don't think it'd be. I don't think it's worth. Like, I don't think it's for everyone. Yeah, I sent it resources. Everything I sent resource was what I sent to Legend, my IRL friend. Like he doesn't trade. He doesn't trade like trendline and all that. But those like I thought it was like worth mentioning, worth like sharing. So that's why I shared in resource. If it weren't isn't like if it isn't worth sharing with like the general advice, then I would just rather keep it to myself, or maybe like give yeah. I think like yeah, I think like last summer he started like learning from he started using that trading strategy, and then I don't know. He kept suggesting me like oh you should like learn from me or like I should teach you. I didn't want to. Mm. I think I think you're able to. I think you can learn. Yeah, I think you can learn, but I think if you're ever learning a new strategy, if you're like front testing or you're back testing, just do it enough to know if it works or if it doesn't work. Then you actually have the confidence like to understand like is it even worth like putting it in the trade for the present market. Oh my god, thank God. I think. Oh my god. Legend? Oh wait, no, Brian. He plays in a team. Brian Day trader, esport player. You're just judging off looks. Oh no, he was damn. Anyway, he was like mentioning like how like he didn't like the esport environment or like it wasn't like he like he's like he's basically the strategic part of the team. He's like the IGL basically, and he like give out strategies, but then sometimes like he would just like fuzzle out during the moment. I don't know, but so far like learning, I didn't. I'm not learning any mentorship from him directly, but just learning from his like podcast or learning from like what he thinks like how the market should be read or how it should be like how it should be seen. Like I think it's not too bad. Wow, we're having a heavy short. Bull is just oh oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Damn. Okay. Holy shit. I never touched Dota, to be honest. I never tried it. Call of Duty is understandable, honestly. I'm gonna be honest. You're a retired COD player. I see. Oh my god. It still keeps going. Why does it keep going down? Oh my god. Maybe I should. I don't know. Man, I feel too new for. I just feel too new for this. I was just an iPad kid, honestly, just playing fucking Roblox. My so yeah, Fortnite neither. It's I think yeah, I think oh and I played all the free games because I didn't have a laptop. I just played like it was like there used to be this one Chinese game, but now they deleted it because for copyright. It's like called a Rule of Survival, and then like it's similar to it's similar to PUBG basically. And then now it's like not anymore for me. Oh my god, Intel is just wow. Holy shit! Today it's just heavy. Hold on, let me make like this entire thing, this red box that I'm showing. That is today. Fucking just wow. Holy shit! It's just been dumping. Holy moly. Oh yeah, Intel just become it just become real irrelevant at this point. No, but major, major, major impact. Oh, because AI and everything. Wasn't 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 some news saying like banks are gonna like put some money like regardless gonna put money into gold? I know, but like I know, but I mean, Oh, I haven't looked at Q. What is wait? What is QQ? Is it wait? What is wait? 600. Holy chopped, bro. I can already see what people are thinking about Intel. It can't go lower than this. I need to buy. And I'm. No, but like I'm a victim. I long this shit. Oh my god, that is you're so right. I just keep making trend. Well, shit, wow. I should take your advice to heart. Oh my god, that's funny. Yeah, dude, I had trend lines like such a like looks like a schizo like a fucking I'm making a fucking a map grid at this point. Like 50 verticals, 50 horizontal lines everywhere. It's gonna go there. It's gonna go there. Tesla might be. I can tell people are gonna bounce off that. All right. I have no opinion. I'm not smart enough to give out any opinion. Like I literally start learning about stocks just by the lines. I never even learned the basic fundamental of it. I know, but it feels so shameful. Just like you only know about the stock market by making funny triangles and rectangles. You never learn about the actual investing aspect of it. I've been trying to do that. Which is insane to me. But that's cool, honestly. I don't know. That kind of would piss me off. I'm not gonna. It's pretty obvious where the market is gonna go. And imagine you like, God, and that's like the type of advice I would avoid. Oh my God, it's so high up. It's gonna go down. It's a mountain. I don't know. He kind of bugged out on me. Oh. Wait, are you joking? I haven't received a single notification. Is it in your area? Okay. Yeah, I have nothing on. Yeah, I haven't received any notification. Isn't? Aren't you like in? Okay, maybe it can happen. Honestly, it's not really the. Whoa. Nevada, of all places. Las Vegas. La la la. I'm losing my mind. Oh my God. I can long this now. I got no time though. I gotta go to work. Yeah, I want to long it though. A downtrend. No, stop. I know what I'm doing. I'm not coping. I'm just gonna check the market. I'm gonna long this. Why and purposely press short. Shit. That's exactly what my aunt said. Whatever you're gonna do, I'm gonna do the opposite. I'll make hella banks. You're not. I'm a living indicator, basically. I'm the first non AI indicator right there. Dude, it's so rare. Consistently losing is the exact same as consistently winning. I wasn't planning to long it now, right? Chillax. There's no confirmation yet. Copy what? Oh, that one lady. Shit. She can only do so much before she passed away. Might as well make. Oh, oh. Man, I don't look into these. I don't know, man. Like I try to avoid as much information as possible, so I don't get too much like if not bias, just like information in my head. Because like there's something like Fibonacci, by the way, like those things that I try to like remove from my head, like I just have it still in the back of my head. It's still pissing me off. Like I know it doesn't work, so like I just try to avoid it. That one. I should just be a long buyer, no matter what. I never so short. Yeah, I know. No, even random market. I think I shared in resource. Hold on. It was I made a market simulation to see if patterns are real. So basically, you use an AI bot. Like, not, there's always even a bias in the market. It's just like randomness, and it still goes up. Yo, that video is really nice. Like, even like without any bias. I have I haven't, but that kind of like is like a mind opener for me because like regardless of like since the market is so random, like you see patterns are me. No, I only look at I saw it, but I wasn't really that interested. Let's be honest, everything predicts some movement. Oh my god, it's going up. Fair enough. I have no right to say anyone's model or anything because everyone is right. It all leads up to everyone being right. That is not well, not literally in a sense, but I'm just saying like everyone's right. That's why the market is so hard to like do trade in, because there's like everyone has a reason to like get in, and everyone's like kind of right about it. But in like in a literal sense, no, not everyone is right. But it's usually like how I see, and it's like it's such oh it just give me an aneurysm just thinking about it. Like man, what should I do? All right, I think I might get off. I can't really enter anymore. If I was, maybe long Tesla. If there's any confirmation, not yet though. But oh shit! Let me just pull up everything. just but I don't want to be my fault. I want to blame on someone else. Oh, I I feel like I should only really use AI if it was for me, not really for anyone else. Cause like I don't think I can ever get the feeling of like if you're depending on someone else like model. Okay, not like strategy. Like if you're depending on someone else's AI model, I don't think I'll ever feel like consistent, like able to feel like get the feel of the market basically. It's not me that's trading. It's the robot. Anyway, all right. I'm. You don't know that. It could. All right, I gotta go now. I just can't wait. All right, see you. All right, see you tomorrow.